If you have a child with a peanut allergy, you know how anxious everyday life can be. Well, now a team in Britain believe they may have cracked the peanut allergy. It still needs more work, but they've been doing clinical trials with children with severe allergies, giving them minute amounts of peanut flour, and found many of them built up a tolerance for peanuts, and that dramatically improved their quality of life. Francis Silvaggio reports.
When Jennifer House began helping families eat better nearly a decade ago, the Calgary dietitian says the accepted rule for dealing with food allergies was to simply stay away.
What they've begun to see is the incidence of allergy has doubled or tripled in that time frame when we've started avoiding these foods. So now the hypothesis is it's better to introduce these foods early and more often, and that may actually induce more of a tolerance to the allergens.
That new hypothesis is the basis of a recent British study where over a period of several years, researchers gradually introduced peanuts to children with severe allergies in the hopes of rehabilitating their immune system.
We tried this on 99 children, and we found that of those, 84% could adapt to eating the equivalent of 5 peanuts a day on a long-term basis.
But while the study has shown increased tolerance, medical experts are quick to point out the treatment doesn't actually get rid of the allergy itself.
It shouldn't make people complacent. It probably should say there's maybe more of a safety margin than we realize based on the study, but you want to see more studies to confirm that. And certainly, I still stand by my story, which is you cannot be too cautious with a peanut allergy.
Put some peanuts on top.
House agrees, but says even reducing the risk of reaction to trace amounts would be a huge benefit to allergy sufferers and their families around the world.
For a family to be able to, buy the products that say may contain peanuts, or not to worry about the child next to you at school eating peanut butter sandwich, that would take a lot of stress off of the families, I think.
More research is required, and doctors urge caution, saying due to potential reaction to the treatment, the process must only be done under close medical supervision. Francis Silvaggio, Global News, Calgary.